Alright, hello students, welcome back. So today we are going to learn about decimals from chapter 8 of mathematics, grade 6. Okay, so first of all, let's try to understand the definition of a word decimal. So decimal number that can be defined as a number whose whole number part and the fractional part is separated by a dot. Now this specific dot is actually called a decimal point. Okay, so you must have seen many cases like this where there are numbers which are written as 47.38. So this specific dot, the one dot that you see over here, is actually known as decimal. Okay. If we dig down into a bit more, we will take one example. Let's try to see that we have a number on the ones, tens, hundred and thousandth position. The number is 4, 7, 9, 8 and 6. So how exactly do we write this number? The number can be written as 4, 7, 9, 8. यहाँ तक तो सब सही है. Okay. Now as soon as this comes to 1/10th position, there will be dot over here and this will be written as 6 because this is the fractional part. This is like 6 upon 10 and that is equal to 0.6. So we have written over here 0.6. Okay. Let's try to do some addition and see how exactly does this works out. So the first number we have is 70 plus 8 upon 10. So that can be written as 70 plus 8 upon 10 can be written as 0.8, right? And so the number will be that is equal to 70.8. If we take one more example, which is 42 plus 275 upon 100. So how do you write this number? We have 120, so this will be over here, right? The decimal point will come after the number 2. So this can be written as 42 plus 2.75 and that is equal to 44.75. Clear? Okay, now let's try to understand the decimals on the number line. How exactly do we place the decimals on a number line? So say for an example, we have been given 0.4 and we have been asked to place this number 0.4 on a number line. So हम सबसे पहले क्या करेंगे? We'll draw a straight number line starting from 0, 1, 2 and so on. Accordingly, this will be on and on. Now we know the number that we have to plot is 0.4. So the number will start from 0 and then it will be the 1 and then the fourth point. This is like 1 upon 10, right? So we'll be placing as 4 upon 10. So that will be 10th so the fourth portion on the from the scale of 0 to 1. That is like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. So this is 0.4. So this is 0 0.1, 0 0.2, 0 0.3 and this number over here will be your number 0 0.4. Okay. Introduction of 0. So what is the value of 0 in decimals? How does it actually make a difference? क्या 0 से कोई फर्क पड़ता है decimal में? So for an example, we have 0.2 over here. Now I can say 0.2 is equal to 0.20 and that is also equal to 0.20000. So it actually doesn't make a lot of difference if the 0 is on the right side, absolutely right side. ठीक है, बिल्कुल right side में. But it will make a huge difference if I say 0.2 and 0.02. No, these two numbers are not equal. See, this is the 10th position and this is the 100th position. So 0.2 is not equal to 0.02. But yes, if you want to add more zeros after this, it is absolutely fine. So 0.02, I'm talking about 0.02, that is equal to 0.02, 0000, whatever number of zeros you want to place on the right hand side, that's absolutely fine. Okay, let's take one more example of 0.4. So 0.4 is again equal to 0.40 or that is equal to 0.4000, whatever number of zeros you want to place on the right hand side. But that is not equal to 0.4 is not equal to 0.04 or that is not equal to 0.004. Okay, so if the number 0 is on the left hand side it will make a huge difference, but if it is on the right hand side, that's absolutely of no use. It doesn't make a lot of difference. Similarly, you can place for 0.02 and 0.04. That's exactly what we did right now. Okay, let's take one more example with the conversions in decimals, and that's example is of money. So we know that 1 rupee is equal to 100 paisa, right? So now if somebody asks you, beta 20 पैसा कितना रुपीज़ होता है, तो आपको क्या कहना होता है, 20 को 100 से डिवाइड करना होता है, right? So you can cut 0 0, right? That will go off. Now you have 2 upon 10, and that is equal to 0.2 rupees, right? So somebody asks you like 25 paisa is equal to how much rupees, ठीक है, is equal to how much rupees. अगर rupees में आपसे कोई पूछता है तो 25 paisa. So what exactly will you do? You are simply going to divide that by 100. So let me do that. 25 upon 100, right? So that is equal to 0.25, and the currency symbol will always come first. Okay, so that is equal to rupees 0.25. Okay, the next topic that we are going to study is all about addition of decimals. So we have been given a number 0.75 plus 10.425 plus 2, and we have to add these three numbers. So I'll simply do a basic calculation in mathematics. 0.75. The second number is 10.425, right? And the third number is, sorry, 2 point, there is nothing given after this, so I'll simply add it up by 0. ऐसे मैंने पहले बताया था कि you can add any zero after the decimal point if it is on the right hand side. It actually doesn't make a difference, so I'm just adding a 0 over here, and then you just have to do the total, and the total would come to, this is simply 5 plus 2 7 plus 4 11, so 1 will be carried forward, 2 plus 1, that is 3, and that is 1, but then there is decimal, so we'll place decimal over here. Sorry, so I'll place decimal over here, so that is equal to 13.175, and that will be your actual answer in terms of addition of the decimals. Similarly, now let us take let us try to take an example of subtraction, and let us try to understand how it actually works. So we have the example of 3.5 minus 1.74. So I'll simply write it in the normal way that we do. 3.5 minus 1.74. अब यहाँ पे 100 पोजीशन पे 4 है, लेकिन यहाँ पे 100 पोजीशन पे कुछ भी नहीं है. So and the number is on the right side, so I'll just add a 0 over here. Now I'll simply subtract these two numbers. So जो normal basic subtraction addition करते हैं ना, बिल्कुल वैसे ही करना है. Okay, so 10 minus 4, I'll just borrow 1 from here, so this will become 10. So 10 minus 4 is equal to 6. This is 4. So यहाँ से 4 में से 7 नहीं जाएगा. I'll again borrow 1 from here, so this will be 14. So 14 minus 7 is equal to 7. अब ये 3 का 2 हो जाएगा क्योंकि 1 हमने borrow कर लिया था. So 2 minus 1, that is equal to 1. So the number is 1.76. अगर आप ध्यान दो तो एडिशन और सब्ट्रैक्शन एब्सोल्युटली सेम तरीके से किया जाता है, इसमें कोई खास बेसिक डिफरेंस नहीं है. द ओनली पॉइंट इज where exactly are you placing the 0 and the decimals. That is the only difference. Okay, just keep a small watch on this. Stay tuned, and I wish you very good luck for this same topic with your unit test. Thank you much. Have a great day. Bye bye.